What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Blue Viper 264, and today I'm going to be getting a mineral block for my bird. That's what I'm gonna do first. No, poor fish. I'm going to be getting a mineral block, but first I want to see if the bird's still here. Oh, damn, they sold the bird. Damn it. Well, I know they'll end up having another one, so I'm still gonna get it. Fruit or vegetables? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the fruit. Alright. Okay, now I'm gonna go over to these lines. I'm gonna go through this way so they don't think I'm stealing anything. Now come up to the bird line. I mean, not bird line, bird line. Alright, give me a second. How much is this?
After taxes, $3.26.
Okay. I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna grab one of the pamphlets back there. Let me go this way. Yeah. Now, I'm just gonna look at some of the animals they have. And a few of their pamphlets, you know, so I can, you know, see what they do for these animals. Rubber geckos, cane milkseed, lizard, tropical. Cool climates, salamanders, scorpions. Nothing about the fish. Pac-Man code. Tropical scheme, conure, sorry, green, parakeet, and small puffshell. Alright, so we're gonna look at the birds one more time. They're a lot of them sleeping. That's nice. Oh man, they sold off the cockatiel. Oh well. Look at the lizards. They got rid of the big guy. Wait, did he? Did they? Yeah, they did. They got rid of the big guy. Excuse me. Aww. Look at them, so tiny. What you looking at? So cute. Then we got all the frogs. And all the snacks. Snacks. I mean snakes. And all the little baby beauties. They're gonna have to take that big one out though. The skink. Look at the skink.
Hey John, right behind you.
You want me to help?
That way. No, you okay.
No, don't go that way. It's wet.
No, he gonna pay, right?
No, I finished.
Ah, you pay, right? Okay, you wanna leave?
Yeah.
Okay, so go, don't worry. Just be careful.
Take your step small.
Alright. Okay. So, what I did was I got a bird mineral block. I got the fruit flavored first, and I got a few of their pamphlets to see what's their protocol for caring for the animals. Now, later on today, I might come back to get the other mineral block. Well, if not the mineral block, I'll come back to get a cuddle bone. What I decided to do was I'm gonna get all the small things first. Then, like, basically it's all on the prices. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna start with the low price stuff, then go to the medium price stuff, and then the high price stuff. Now my plan is what I'm gonna do is every time I spend money on it, on the stuff, whatever change I get is what I save. And when I get paid, because I usually get paid around $100 to $200. So when I get paid next month, I'm gonna come back. If I haven't gotten all the small stuff yet, then I'm gonna take that money and get that, and then I'm gonna also get, you know, the medium price stuff, and whatever I save will be towards all the high price stuff like the cage and the actual bird. Now the bird that they did have that I was thinking about getting, I'm assuming that they already sold her off, which is probably for the best, okay, because I've only ever seen them have that and another cockatiel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna visit every now and then, see whenever they get a new cockatiel or cockatiels, so I can, you know, have more options. You know, so you don't just get stuck with one choice. And that's pretty much the plan. I already set my room for it. Like the designated places for where I'm gonna put all the stuff at while I'm in the process of getting the cage and the bird. So I'm not gonna show it to you yet. I want it to be a surprise, because what I'm gonna do is once I get the cage, and set up the toys for a little play area. Then I'm gonna show you the final product. I know I sound really weird right now. I am a bit sick, so excuse that. And that's pretty much gonna be it for today. I'm walking home. So, like, comment, subscribe. And if you're a bird lover or any kind of animal lover, what's your favorite animal and why? Put that in the comment section. Alright, see you later.